Hello everyone, welcome to Salesforce Network, Salesforce Developer Tutorial. Topics what we are going to cover in this session, that is relationship query, parent to child inner query, child to parent outer query. Relationship query. Relationship queries traverse parent to child and child to parent relationships between objects in a single SQL query to filter and return results. These queries are useful for retrieving related data efficiently. Client applications need to be able to query for more than a single type of object at a time. SQL provides syntax to support these types of queries called relationship queries against standard objects and custom objects. Parent to child inner query. A parent child relationship query allows us to retrieve data from objects that are related to each other through lookup or master detail relationships. It is also known as a SQL subquery, where we retrieve parent records along with their related child record data. Syntax: list of parent. Parent here means parent object. Hence, result equals to select parent field 1, parent field 2, parent field 3 and more if needed. Then in bracket select child field 1, child field 2 from childs. Here yes should be there in the object. Again bracket close from parent object. So let's see an example. Write a query to retrieve all accounts and with their related contacts. So what we need to write the query? Select ID, name, comma, then in bracket select ID, first name, last name, email from contacts. Yes is should be there. From account. In this example, account is parent object, contacts is the child relationship name. Child to parent outer query. Child to parent relationship query uses dot notation to access fields from the parent record. These queries are essential for efficiently handling and displaying related data in Salesforce. We can start writing the query from the child object and include fields from the related parent object. It is also known as a SQL relationship query, where we retrieve child records along with their parent record data. Syntax: list of child, here result equals to, in the big bracket select child field 1, child field 2, then reference field parent dot parent field 1, reference field dot parent field 2 from child. Let's see an example. Write a query to retrieve all contacts with their related account. So for this we need to write the query select ID, first name, last name, email. Then from the parent we need to write account, this is the object name, dot name, this is the field name. Then again account object name dot industry is field name from contact. In this example, contact is the child object, account is the parent object and name is the field from parent object. So to do the practical, just log into our Salesforce account. So to write the queries, we need to click on setup, developer console, right click, open link in new tab. So first we are going to see parent to child. So we are writing the query like select id name, then comma, a small bracket, select id comma first name comma last name comma email from contacts. This is the child object, and yes should be there, bracket close, from account. Execute. So we are getting the records like this. id is from parent object account, name is from parent object account, and from child there should be first name, last name, email. Second, let's see child to parent. So we need to write the query like this: select id first name comma last name comma email comma, then object name parent object account dot name comma object name parent account dot industry from contact. Execute this. So we are getting the result: id first name last name email. This is from contact, and from account, account dot name and account dot industry. Thank you.